Don't make zucchinis before watching this video. Delicious and surprising recipe. For this recipe, we are going to need 2 units of zucchini and we are going to cut it into strips, being careful not to remove the strip, cutting even the stalk. We will also need 2 tomato units. I slipped them in the middle to make it easier, but just cut them into strips, as you can see in the video. We will also need peppers, and we will also cut them into strips, as you can see there. The peppers you decide, if you want red, yellow or green. If you prefer this recipe written, leave your I want below, so I'll send you the complete recipe. In a grazed shape with parchment paper, we are going to apply a lot of oil and we are going to start assembling our zucchini. I'm going to open it and I'm going to put mozzarella, tomato, pepper, and we are going to hold the sides and assemble everything else. It's super simple. I'll season it with a generous drizzle of olive oil, black pepper, salt, oregano, spicy paprika, and you can use the seasonings of your choice, improving the seasoning that it will make a total difference in this recipe. It's a recipe that, besides being delicious, looks beautiful on the plate. It's a recipe that honestly draws a lot of attention and surprised me in the flavor. I didn't give anything for this recipe, but when I tried it, I couldn't stop eating it anymore. I got so excited about this recipe that I forgot to tell you that you need to take it to the oven, preheated to 428 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes. But keep an eye on your oven. My favorite time of the recipe has arrived, the time to try this wonder. The zucchini brings an unbelievable succulence to this recipe. It leaves everything very moisty, juicy, and super tasty. So I say and repeat, enjoy it and put a lot of seasoning. Put it on your favorites, which will make a hell of a difference in this recipe. The tomato also brings impeccable succulence. And the pepper brings that aroma that sets the whole kitchen on fire. You can do it there, and I guarantee you that you and your whole family will love this recipe. I almost ate 2 zucchinis whole by myself. And that was today's recipe. I hope you liked it. A kiss and see you in the next video. Bye bye!